all, myself Pradnyesh Ambekar, and I was honored by first rank in Postgraduate Degree in Tool Engineering. That was a 2 years course I completed during 2021 to 2023. We have to work hard, but at the end of the course, what learnings we had from NTTF, from our experienced faculties who have rich experience in industries, that experience will be there with myself throughout my entire career. Remember, the basics you will learn here at NTTF, that will be helpful for you when you go to industries. I joined Bajaj Auto as an intern. It was little bit difficult initially, but when I sat down and when I worked hard, remembered all the teachings what I learned in NTTF, then it was a kind of a smooth ride. I got a PPO and I joined there. So I would like to tell that if you have a chance here, if someone recommends, please think of molding your career with your own hands. Thank you.